everybody, it's Neil, and I have this. This is jiaao, and it is a neck pillow for like travel, or I guess travel, or just hanging out at home or something. I'll show you guys what it is in here. It comes packed, very compressed into the here. See what else it's got in here. All sorts of stuff in the box. Okay, so we have our instructions in the box. So I'll hold that up so you can see it if you really need it. You can probably pause it and zoom in. I would hope this is fairly self-explanatory, but we will put it aside here as we do. We have a sleep mask. Let's go through all the little stuff first. So this is just a traditional sleep mask here. Wow, that's got really good coverage though. Holy mackerel, it's got like a little extra flat there to kind of keep it on there. And so good, it's not very tight or anything, but man, it cuts out everything. If we ever play like pin the tail on the donkey or something, we're using this one here because nobody will ever see through it. Comes with a little bag to store the thing in. Comes with some little those are called earplugs. Let's see what those are. So these are like little rubber ones here. Do they have a hole all the way through? No. So I don't know if this is really my size, but wow, you can. If I jam it in there, it does cut out all the sound out of that. So, I mean, these work. They're earplugs. And then we have the pillow in here. So let's open this up. And we will get it out of here. Okay. So inside the bag, inside the box we have a bag, and inside the bag we have another bag. Okay, and here it is. So wow, it's really soft. It's like memory foam soft, you know, like that, where it's squishy, squishy. Okay, so we have a few different ways we can wear it here. I've got a little viewing thing in front of me just to give me some ideas. But you can see, oh, here, let's see, it's got a zipper pouch, zipper thing in the bottom, so you can, if you ever need to clean the outer shell, I'm guessing it's possible. So let's put it on and see what we got here. So this is it, and I'm not covering up my microphone. There we go. Good. So if we go like that, so we can, now we have it Velcroed on there, so it's like almost like a neck brace. So if I was on an airplane, I would have this on. I can breathe fine and everything like that, but then I could, if my head goes to the side, it won't go down too much, which is good. Because my head, okay, so my problem is my head always goes down, and then when I wake up, I always have a stiff neck. So this should keep me from that. And it's good as I've got, like, even though it's a big pillow, I've got airflow going underneath it. I think it's only really touching at that one little point there, so it gives me space. So that's what's really nice about it. So that's really good. So I can use it like this. So this is the traditional way. If I'm sitting in my seat, you know, this is what it looks like from the back. So it's kind of leaning up against the back of the seat, and I've got my comfort ability there. Now if I take this off, let's see how else we can use it. I see somebody else using it a different way. They have this over the back of the seat behind them, and then leaning up against this little part here. So then they go, let me see what they got here. So then they have it closed completely, like I'm doing here. So there, and then they have it where they're just leaning up against it this way. I see there's a snap here. Does this snap onto it? Oh, this is probably just to store it away. You can snap onto it there to close it all up, so you can fit it into the bag. That's probably what that snap is for, right there. Now it'll fit into the bag. But let's see if I was to just keep it like this, though. Put it down there, and I could also sleep in it. Was it go this way here or this way? I could go like this. I don't have to put my head down. So if I was like in a, can you see? If I'm like in an airplane or in a something like that, and I just want to put my head down. This would be great for like getting a massage, like when somebody massages me, I could in the bed, because I can get air through here. So I don't have a massage table clearly at my house, but if somebody comes over to massage me, I can put my head in here, and then it's still open, so I can still breathe on the sides. That's pretty cool. It feels good. I want to go to sleep. So you got a few different ways to use this. Let me see if there's anything else I might need to know. I don't know, but it's all memory foam, so it's super comfortable. And then when I'm done, so this is it. So I can bring this on the airplane, whatever, and then it'll fit in my backpack easy enough because it's all squishy memory foam. And then I can go like this, and squeeze it up, and then put it into its little bag. Oh, you guys can't see me. I'm just putting it into the little bag here, cinch it up, and there's my thing. And I could actually even clip this on the outside of my bag, so then I can have easy access to it. So it's kind of cool. They really thought of it here, all the different things for it. And this is the brand, and really nice. Let's see if there's anything I missed. Yeah, it just says you can wash it. It says it might have a little bit of smell for a couple of days to just let it air out. Mine didn't smell like anything, so no problem on that. But I like it, and it came with all the eyepiece and the earplugs and stuff as well. So if you go on the airplane, especially like I'm going out of the country here a week from today, so I'll be able to just take this with me, and nice long plane ride, I'll be able to be in comfort. So thumbs up.